Hello, this is a short video that has been produced to help with questions that may appear in the Scottish Qualification Authority's exam for the Higher Physics course. In this recording we are looking at our dynamic universe and we're looking at collisions, explosions and impulse, that part of the course. So here is an example question. You read an article in a paper about a collision between two identical cars. You recognise this is an elastic collision, and the paper reports the following: 1, that momentum was conserved, 2, that the total energy was conserved, and 3, that one of the vehicles stopped, so kinetic energy was lost. And this question is asking what has the paper reported correctly, and then you get A to E with a combination of those statements. So what's our approach? Well, as usual, we're reading the question closely and picking out the things we're being asked about. We're clearly being asked about energy and momentum. Look to see if there's anything obvious we can ignore. Well, let's assume there's not. There's only 3 choices, nothing obvious. Recall the part of the course we're being referred to and read the question again, saying all the words out loud, obviously in your brain. Don't annoy anyone in the exam room. And avoid overcomplicating. If you find yourself getting lost in concepts and things in your head, just stop and start again from afresh. So this is an example of a question where there really isn't anything we can work out. We have to recall this from our learnings in the course. So what were the teachings? Well, the teachings were that there were things that are conserved. In science, there are certain dimensions of things that can be conserved. And actually, what we're missing here is some words before that, which is until proven otherwise, or it has never been proved otherwise that these things are anything but conserved. So what are the things that are conserved? Well, there is energy in whatever form it comes in. There is momentum, angular momentum, and there's electrical charge. And of course, within energy, we get lots of things. We get energy from food, we get gravitational energy, light, heat, kinetic, potential. So there's lots of energies, but no matter what the energy type, it is conserved. And so from that, we really can derive the answer to the question. We know that momentum is conserved, and we know that total energy, whatever it's called, is conserved. We know that energy can't be lost, so option 3 clearly isn't valid. So we are looking for something that's option 1 and option 2, and we can see that that is clearly E. So E is the correct answer to this question. Things we had to note here was this really was a question type that you had to remember from the course. If you don't remember it, there's no real way of working that out in the time you've got in an exam. There's a breakdown of energy types and they don't matter. Energy in whatever form is conserved however we choose to label it. So that's key. As always, there are some questions here you can try and you can find the answers on the Hi page, hy.page/physics/FYSX. Thanks for watching and go try one of our other questions.